Imagine a typewriter, typing by itself at 3 a.m. No paper, no one there, just clacking keys. But these weren't messages from ghosts. They were warnings. Cryptic threats tied to a family secret decades old, passed down through a machine that never forgets. Retype what was taken, it demanded. And when the warnings escalated, the truth came to light. Someone was watching, stalking through time and keys. A story where the past is alive and danger is just a keystroke away. Want the full story? It's waiting for you on our channel now. Like, comment, and subscribe to uncover more strange, dark mysteries.